This is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show a few useful tips for fixing hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend you start by launching the System Manager app, going into the virus scan, and see if the virus scan tool will provide you with any vulnerabilities or any security breaches that your system may have. In my case, my device is perfectly secure, but if you suspect that your security is compromised, you will probably find some things here. So simply follow the instructions that you'll see on the screen to get rid of those security threats. You can also launch the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture here, and then go into Play Protect to run a scan for harmful apps. And if this tool will find any, uninstall those harmful apps right away. And the third advice that I have for you is that you also try running the antivirus scan using some third-party antivirus apps such as Avast, for example. So you can install the Avast antivirus and security app and then run all possible security checks that it suggests and follow the instructions that you'll also see on the screen of your phone. Or you can use any other third-party antivirus apps. That's up to you. So as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.